whole new world going down here.
It's a whole new world to see, isn't it?
What is that Audi doing? What was that Audi doing?
I don't know, I think he's forgotten it's a 30-mile-an-hour zone because he's off he goes. Yep, he's just realised there's another speed camera up there and he's slammed his brakes on. See?
The time we have together.
He's off now, he doesn't want to wait in this queue. He does not give a shit. He's off.
But I always try my best to get out of.
Thank God.
Well, you made it right.
Let's face it, if a man virtually caused war in the Middle East, then he became the peace invited. Is there a big...
Nice one.
Might have an allergen. I know that sounds awful. Sounds awful, and it's horrific.
Oh, well, you may as well help yourself then. Totally in the wrong lane.
F-word and other slogans and other epithets about Muslims.
Okay,
This isn't an isolated incident,
Which
Jim.
page are you referring to?
Well, I won't give you the necessary news name, but I'm happy to send them to you. I'd probably best let it. Yeah. Post on your Facebook page. This isn't policed in it.
Your bits of kit, and today I'm going to be focusing on the crash helmet.
Oh dear, someone's not paid their tax. What an absolute knobhead. Will you stop for the red light? You're gonna go for a double, mate? Oh, he's gonna sack it off, aren't you?
The Labour MP for Barrow Inverness, he did that recently because of a disciplinary investigation that he was undergoing. So there are
Please say you got on tape.
I have. It's
Oh, thank God. Yeah, well, it's taking on, buddy. You see that?
Yeah, because he took a piss, that's why.
See participating stores for details.
You've reached Nick Doomer's phone. Please leave a message after the panther.
Fucking hell.
You've reached Nick. Novelty phone messages are...
Please look. Dickhead.
From glen to glen, and down the mountainside.
Seriously?
Is the greatest female athlete ever.
The jury's still out on that one.
Alexa, is Jessica Ennis Hill the greatest female athlete?
You know, I found a few that I quite like, but I don't know if you'll like them.
Sure. To be honest with you, the reason I'm not all excited about you knob.
There's a Woodin Edward in the family, isn't there? There's Prince Edward. You know, seriously, very seriously.
Brand new 18 plate, and you've already
I'm
smashed
not worried
your
about
rear lights.
It's not going to
Whoops.
impact on me. It's going to get on my nerves, Keith.
What the fuck are you doing, bro? What the fuck? What the fuck are you doing?
Fucking hell, woman! Jeez. Will you stop for the red light? No.